Hey everyone, this is Ashley from RecPro and we're here with our 72-inch ramp. The code for this is RP-1128. This is a 10 gauge raw steel ramp. It's great for trailers and truck beds. It measures 72 inches long by 12 inches wide, and there are 2 of them, so you can get your stuff up onto your truck bed or your trailer as well. It has a 5,000 pound support limit, so you can get a bunch of different types of stuff up here. It's evenly spaced raised holes for traction as well. You're not going to slip whether it's the machine or you that's walking up here. There's also a custom bracket support right over here that it connects to prevent kickback, and it's going to last a long time. So if you want to find out more, just click the link below, like, comment, and subscribe, and remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.